if I told you that right now, in 2026, you can start a real business using AI with $0, zero employees, and zero experience, and be making over $1,000 a month within weeks? I'm not talking about some side hustle survey nonsense. I'm talking about an actual service business where clients pay you to do work that AI does in minutes. I've seen complete beginners pull this off, and in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how. Stay until the end, because step 4 is where most people leave money on the table. Scene 2, the business model. Here's the core idea, and it's stupidly simple. Businesses need content, automation, and copywriting. They don't have time to learn AI. You do. So you become the bridge. You use free AI tools to deliver high-value services and charge for your time, expertise, and results. The AI does the heavy lifting. You handle the client relationship. This is called an AI-powered service business. Startup cost, $0. Time to first client, 3 to 7 days. Income ceiling, $3,000 to $10,000 a month once you systemize. You're not selling AI, you're selling outcomes. Big difference. Scene 3, pick your niche. Step 1, pick one service. Don't try to do everything. Here are 3 beginner-friendly options that are in high demand right now. Option A is AI copywriting. Write email sequences, landing pages, and product descriptions for small businesses. Charge $200 to $500 per project. It takes about 30 minutes per deliverable with AI. Option B is social media management. Create a full month of posts for a local business in 2 hours. Charge $300 to $700 a month on retainer. Pure recurring revenue. Option C is AI automation consulting. Help small businesses automate repetitive tasks like appointment follow-ups or customer emails. Charge $500 to $1,500 per setup. Use tools like Make or Zapier. Both have free plans. Pick the one that fits your personality. Writers go for copywriting. Organized people go for automation. Social people go for social media. Scene 4. Get your first client for free. Here's the part nobody talks about. You don't need a website. You don't need a portfolio. You need one client to say yes. Here's how to get them for free this week. Step 1. Go to Google. Search your city, then a type of business, then the word contact, like Austin Dental Clinic contact. Pick 10 local businesses. Step 2. Send them a cold DM or email. Keep it short. Here's the exact template. Hey name, I noticed your social media hasn't been updated in a while. I help businesses like yours create a month of content using AI in under 48 hours. I'd love to do the first week free so you can see the quality. Interested? Free trial, no risk for them. They say yes. Step 3, deliver incredible work, then ask for a paid retainer. Most people need to send 20 to 30 messages to get that first yes. Do it in a day. It's a numbers game. Scene 5, deliver and scale. Now here's step 4, the part most beginners skip. Once you have one paying client, your job is to build a repeatable system so you can take on more without burning out. Build a prompt library. Every time you use AI to create something great, save that prompt. After 2 weeks, you'll have a toolkit that lets you produce client work in 20 to 30 minutes instead of 2 hours. Create templates, a social media template, an email sequence template, a report template, reusable, scalable. Raise your prices at client number 3. Your first client is practice. Your second builds confidence. By client 3, charge 30 to 50% more. You'll have a testimonial and a proven process. Referrals are your growth engine. After a successful month, simply ask, do you know anyone else who might need this? 1 happy client becomes 3. At 3 retainer clients paying $400 a month, you're at $1,200 a month. That's your first target, and it is very achievable within 60 days. Scene 6, tools. Quick tool breakdown, all free to start. Claude or ChatGPT for writing, strategy, and copy. Canva for graphics and social media visuals. Make.com for automation workflows. Notion for client management. Google Docs for deliverables. LinkedIn and Instagram DMs for outreach. Zero software cost. Every dollar you earn is profit. Here's the truth. The AI wave is creating a massive gap between businesses that know how to use these tools and those that don't. You can sit in the middle and get paid to bridge that gap. You don't need funding. You don't need a degree. You need a laptop, a free account, and the discipline to send 20 cold messages this week. Your homework, pick your niche, write your outreach message, and send it to 10 businesses today. That's it. If this helped, hit subscribe. I drop a new video every week on building real income with AI. See you in the next one.